Hello students, today we are going to study about water, which is one of the basic necessities of life as we all need water to live. Human beings, plants and animals all need water to live. So moving forward, we will study that we get water from different sources. Rain is the main source of water on earth. It fills rivers and lakes to form surface water and seeps into the ground through the soil to make up underground water. Tubewells, hand pumps, and wells are used to draw this underground water for domestic and other purposes. Then we will move towards different bodies of water. After coming to earth, the rainwater stores in different form, and these forms are various type. For example, waterfall, ocean, lake, river, pond, etc. Now we will discuss about uses of water. Water is required for many basic needs such as in houses to clean, cook, bath, drink and wash, in farms and fields for irrigation, in various industries for different purposes, to generate electricity in dams or running water, for water sports like boat racing, swimming and other water games, as a medium of transport and travel for ships, boats and steamers. Now coming to next category, that is our water cycle. The water from lakes, oceans and seas get heated by the sun and changes into water vapor. This is also known as evaporation. This water vapor rises high into the sky where it comes into contact with cool air and forms tiny droplets of water. This is called condensation. The tiny droplets of water combine to form clouds. When the clouds become heavy, they fall down as rain. This is called precipitation. The rainwater fills up rivers, lakes, and seas, and the cycle goes on continuously in nature. This is called the water cycle. Now, most important is to save water. Only about 3% of water on the earth is fit for human use. We must therefore use it wisely and not to waste it. We can save water by following these steps. Water used for washing fruits and vegetables can be used to water the plants. Get leaking taps and pipes repaired promptly. Water used to rinse clothes can be used to wash cars and bikes. Plants more trees as they help to conserve water. Encourage and practice rainwater harvesting, where rainwater is stored for later use or gradually allowed to flow in the ground from a deep hole to increase underground water. So always remember, children, to save water and to save life. If there will be no water, there will be no life. Thank you.